Welcome back. We've learned strings, which are sequences of characters. Now, we move on to Python's powerful and flexible sequence type, the list. 1. What is a list? A list is an ordered collection of items. Unlike a string, a list has two key features that make it special. Mutable. Lists can be changed after they are created. You can add, remove, or modify elements. Heterogeneous. A single list can hold elements of different data types, integers, strings, floats, and even other lists, all at the same time. 2. How to create a list. To create a list, you enclose its elements in square brackets and separate the elements with commas. A. Empty list and mixed data. You can start with an empty list or create one with diverse elements. B. List of lists, nested lists. Because a list can contain any type of object, it can even contain other lists. This creates what's sometimes called a nested list or a matrix. 3. Accessing elements, indexing. Just like strings, lists are ordered sequences, so we use zero-based indexing and square brackets to access elements. We can also use negative indexing, where -1 refers to the last element. 4. Accessing nested elements. To access an element inside a nested list, you use two sets of square brackets. The first bracket gets the inner list and the second gets the element inside that inner list. To summarize, the list is the flexible container in Python created using square brackets. It is both ordered, accessible by index, and fully changeable. Knowing how to create a list is step 1. Next, we will cover the list's most powerful feature, its mutability, by learning how to add and remove elements in Lecture 4.8. See you there.